welcome back. I just wanted to pop on real fast and let you know that this is just a short, quick little tutorial on how I did my rainbow deviled eggs for Easter. I made them very quickly, and I thought as I was making them, oh, I'll go ahead and film it just in case. And I did have a couple of people say, oh, those are really cute. How'd you do them? So if you've never made deviled eggs before, this will be a quick little recipe for you. And if you've never made them rainbow style, then I think you'll have some fun with this. And certainly the kids like this. So I'll show you how I made the filling and how I colored the eggs. So of course the first thing you want to do is get your eggs going, and I use my little cooker to do that. I can cook 6 eggs at a time, which is perfect. You'll have 12, but I always cook an extra batch. So while those are cooking right now, I get my colors going, I get the ingredients out that I'm going to need for my filling, and I am going to start shelling as soon as the second batch is finished. Now I'll begin to add all of those yolks to my mayonnaise, mustard, and pickle relish. There you can see all the colors that I have ready to go. So mayonnaise, I use an avocado mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard, a little bit of pickle relish. That's it, plus the egg yolks. So that's a pretty good looking yolk there, but you can see some of them are a little, they tore up as I was pulling them out with my knife. But I do like to use that non-serrated knife so that you get a nice smooth edge. So the whites now will go into the colors, and all of those yolks get a dousing of pepper. We like pepper. And then I just begin to mash all of the ingredients together. So we've got the yolks, we've got the mayo, the mustard, a little bit of mustard, and I'm doing that as these guys are getting their color. And it's up to you how long you want them to sit in the water food coloring solution. Just a few drops of food coloring is all you need. Some colors, of course, will be more vibrant than others, and a lot of it depends on how long you actually leave them soaking. So really only a few minutes, the amount of time it takes you to do the yolk and mix it all up. Now this part is entirely up to you. If you want it to look fancy, you can use an icing bag with a tip on the end. It makes it easier to fill them, but you don't have to. You can just take a spoon and dollop it in. But that's entirely up to you. It goes pretty fast, and if you're doing a lot of these eggs, maybe for a big party, then this really would make it a lot easier. For me, I only had the 12 half shells that I was going to have on our Easter table, so I really didn't need to, but I just thought it would look a little prettier. And then of course I top them off with a little tiny sprinkle of paprika at the end. I guess that's just the traditional way I've always had them, but you could put a little piece of bacon, you could do a lot of fun things. So I was thinking those rainbow eggs would be really cute for a birthday party or for a 4th of July. You wouldn't have to wait until Easter to do the different colors, and you could do just 2 colors. You could do them for St. Patrick's Day. I know that was last month, but anyway, I think there are several different times of the year that they would be fun to have green eggs and ham. So anyway, I just thought they were kind of fun, and I hope you enjoyed that. So I will see you next week. Have a good week. Subscribe if you haven't, and that's it for me. Okay, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.